Anybody? Where'd everyone go? Hello? Anybody? Where'd everyone go?
Hello.
It's so strong. But the forest's right there. I just have to be braver than the river.
Hello? Is someone down here?
You're tracking mud onto my floor, little one.
Sorry, I didn't know anyone lived here.
I do, and I keep it peaceful.
It's beautiful. All these things. Did you find them?
Traded, kept safe. You can look.
Everyone back home. If the wind can find me here, then maybe I can find my way back.
Branch is moving. I've got it. Still standing. All right, next one. I can do this.
Nutmeg!
Oh, my brave little one.
I made it. I really
Safe
made
now.
it.
I've got you.
I missed you so much.
And I missed you, my sweet Nutmeg.